she arrived. So what I did was I ordered a 600 Equinox, and I got it today. Pretty happy. The company I bought it from is located in Brooklyn, New York, and it's called Metal Detector Distributors. And I got superb service, you guys. Superb service. And they ship that thing. It's about as fast as you can ship something. The detector came, no issues. It was double boxed. I got the other box right over here. It must ship today. It went out pretty quick. So I got that in, and very happy. Got it all together. Looks great. Put the screen protector on. Might be using this one for the water when I get the 800 in. I'm still waiting. I called Calico and they said, well, could be a couple weeks, could be a couple months. So I got the 600 for now to play with. Still will be using that CTX. This is my lineup. I got the Equinox. I'm going to have the 6 and the 8. I got the CTX, which is a proven winner. I got the Excalibur 2, which is basically mounted on the long rod, and I like that. Takes some weight off. I'm going to be using the Excalibur 2, and I'm going to be using this 600 for some water hunting. Going to still use the CTX 3030 at the beach, and I'm going to use that Minelab 800 at the beach. I'll be using the 6 for a while until I get accustomed to it. The 6, I like it already. I like some of the stuff they did. A little bigger display. Backlight's pretty good. It's got an all-metal button. I like that. The pinpoints where the earlier Explorer models is right there. You got the all-metal there. So I do like that. Not too hot on the audio jack, and I know it's a smaller jack. There was a lot of complaints when the Explorer first came out about that small jack. And I like to use, you guys probably know, I'm a really big fan of these Grey Ghost headphones. I really like to use those, and they have a bigger jack, so I'm going to have to figure that out. See what that wireless module looks like. Maybe I'll be able to do something with that. But no, I like it. Looks good. And weight, it's tiny. Weight is just a joke. It's about the weight of a golf club. So real happy with that too. But I still like the CTX. The other thing I kind of wonder about with this Equinox is it seems like there's a wider range on rings and on just items in general. It runs all the way up to 30. Where the CTX, it was 30, it was iron, I'd back off. I'm going to have a problem with this one. I'm going to have to probably dig the target. At the beach, you really want to dig everything anyway, so that's going to be a little bit of a learning curve on this. So we'll definitely work on that, but I'm still keeping my other machines. They're proven winners. Found me a lot of gold, and I got my scoop too. This is the scoop. Everybody always says, why do you use a shovel? No, I use a scoop, but the reason I use a shovel is, maybe you didn't see the video when I posted. This scoop here, well, this scoop dug over 1,000 pieces of gold. But unfortunately, I broke it in a rock patch back in the early 2000s. So it had its day. And they're expensive. These scoops go for $150, so I'd rather sacrifice a shovel than a scoop. But if you're going to water hunt, which I want to do some shallow water hunting this year, you need a duck build one. And you don't want to get the wooden handle. Those rot out, they'll snap off, and these stainless steel are the way to go in the freshwater lakes. And like I say, I'll be wading in with this one, and I'm going to be keeping that Excalibur 2 as a backup. So, pretty good news, like I say, and this power's on. I'm probably going to pick up some noise in here from some static, but that power's on, and pretty impressed. So, well, it's going to be interesting. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of background feed. Going to be interesting. I'll probably run on that beach too, and I'll mess around with some of the stuff in there, some of the different menus, but pretty happy with that machine. So see how it goes. As for the good news, I was able to mail out on the winners. I was able to mail out the pouch with the silver for Scorpio Man. That's in the mail. And Mr. Beeper's got a hold of me, so he did get the gold coin, the Spanish gold from last year. I was waiting, I couldn't get a hold of him, and I finally got a hold of him. So that's in the mail. I think he's going to be surprised with that. That's an awesome giveaway prize. Still waiting on Lestrange the Pirate. He's going to send me his information. I want to get that detector out to him. And then the other woman, Netta, I believe her name is. Still waiting to hear for her for the gold coin, the US dollar coin, and then we'll get that out. So, but this is pretty much it. I still got my Explorer XS, and I've got that hanging at the wall, on the wall at the house. So I'll be using that. It's still a proven winner with that Watt coil. That's one of the best machines they ever made in 2001. When that first came out, I really rocked and rolled. So, but I'm looking to hopefully find some stuff this year, and we'll be doing a lot more videos. I'm going to run the video I had this week, and I got a silver coin. Didn't get much else, but I'll throw some video up from what I got. But I just wanted to share, yes, I do have the Equinox 600, and you'll be seeing the videos. So we'll give it a shot, we'll give it a try, see if it's a proven winner or a dud. So, alright, and now I'm going to run the video from this weekend. It's like some rough surf. Pretty good looking beach. Get a signal, 1241. Alright, I think we're on the board here with a coin. Two coins, alright. Now I'm getting warm. I like the looks of this beach too. What we got? Another copper. Yeah, another penny. Oh, look at that one. It's a weedy. That's in damn good shape. Alright, maybe we'll get some silver. Oh. 1212. Jefferson. It's like a dime. Huh. 1212. Getting a lot of deep gold signals. I don't get it. Jefferson. Got a low spot over here. I think it's worked itself over in this direction. 1244. I got a coin. It's a strange looking oddity. Huh. It's brass. Got a hot spot. 1113. Deep nickel. Oh, I got something. 1245. It sounded like a silver ring. Get it out of that hole. Ooh, it looks like a black cookie. I think we got a silver. Yep. Yep, see that dull edge? I believe we have a silver Roosevelt. If I can make a year. Sweet. Can't see the year. Definitely silver though. That's a good sign. It was down 10 inches. She was down there.